Today I want to show you how I make my eggs. I've just fried some eggs with sardine for the family. Now let's make mine. Pour your eggs in. Next I'll go in with some salt and pepper, just enough. I'll put some water, then I'll cover this and let it cook. After about 3 minutes my eggs are ready and I'll put them in my plate with my bread. And this is my breakfast. You can actually have 2 eggs with 2 slices of toast bread for breakfast with lots of water. 2 slices of bread is like 150 calories, 2 eggs within that region as well. But this morning I'm having just 1 sliced bread and an apple, and it's so delicious. Healthy meal.